Okay, this is how to request for desktop site on Google Chrome on iPhone, right? So if you're using an iPhone and sometimes when you go to your Google Chrome, you realize that some text are too bold or you can't have the whole interface of that particular platform or website, right? You can actually request for desktop mode so that you can have the whole interface and you can view everything. So you can easily do it by clicking on this three dotted line here. When you tap here, so you scroll down and you can see request desktop site, right? So I'm going to click on it now, and as you can see now, the site has been compressed to an extent that we can still have the chat, just the chat here, and we can still have some other areas of the platform of the website, right? But initially it was just only the chat that was showing, telling you that the platform has been compressed because we requested for a desktop site. So this is how you can actually do that, and you have your whole interface clearly viewed, right? If this video was helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel. See you on the next